Y'all know I'm into that Amazon Echo lifestyle, and they upgraded all the different Echoes, including the Echo Show. So I got one, and I'll tell you if it's worth it right after this.
This is, you know you listening to Travis.
What up, players? Welcome back. And for all you new people, welcome. My name's Travis and I do tech videos every single week and have a blast doing them. If that sounds like fun to you, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Anything I talk about will be in the description below. But for now, let's get into the video. Now, just a heads up, I'm not actually gonna call her the other A name because that'll fire off every Amazon Echo device in my house and probably in some of yours. So we'll just go with calling it the Echo and the Echo Show. And when I talk about you know who, I'll just call it the Echo Show. Or the Echo. So last year, Amazon added a screen to the Amazon Echo line and they call it the Echo Show. I have one of those and I loved it. It was great to have video chat on there and be able to show different things that you were doing searches for. Plus you could watch some videos on there, and when it first came out you could get YouTube, and then YouTube you couldn't get on it, and then you could, and then you couldn't. But that's beside the point. I actually still like it and use it on a daily basis. It sits in my kitchen and is used for things like recipes, timers, traffic updates, weather updates. It's really cool to be able to just look over and see those things. And I probably wasn't alone. So Amazon upgraded the Echo Show to the 2018 version. And man, this thing is big. The original Echo Show was 7 inches. This one is 10. That alone makes it a huge upgrade. And as you can see here, it's no small thing. Pretty much the entire size of the new Echo Show is all screen, and the other one is just the top half with the speakers below. So now they put the speakers on the back of the Echo Show. And let me tell you, there's a huge difference in quality. I wasn't sure how much there would be, but man, just listen to this. Even through this video, you should be able to hear the difference, and in person, it's even bigger. This thing has some pretty good bass. And to put this in the kitchen, like where I have my Echo Show, it's kind of a win. I have this in the kitchen and I love it. It's great to be able to now see things further away, because now I can bring up recipes and I can read them from across the kitchen. I also use it every single morning for traffic updates, weather updates, and see what's on my calendar. And this big screen makes it so much easier. Like, I didn't know what I was missing on the 7-inch screen until I got the big 10-inch. As I talked about the speakers, which you can hear, which is amazing. They sound really good on the new Echo Show. And thirdly, there's a smart hub in here. Now, some of you may not know what that means. If you have lights or locks or Lord knows what in your house you want to control, sometimes you need a smart hub. That's not always the case. You can find things that have apps built into them. For example, eTech City sent over these power plugs. Now these will work with the Amazon Echo or just your phone. All you have to do is take them out, plug them in, download the app on your phone, and now you can control lamps, toasters, hair dryers, like really anything you can plug into it. A fan actually works during the summertime. So it's a really quick setup. You just download the app, like I said, configure it. It works immediately with your Echo device after you enable the skill. Super great. Thanks eTech City for sending these over. I'll leave a link in the description below for these. And now on the new Echo Show, you can actually control things on the screen itself. So if you don't want to speak controlling a light on and off, you can actually just pull down from the top and change that. That's a pretty cool new feature. Now they have a browser, which means you can now get YouTube, which is great. But now you get to choose between Firefox or Silk. That allows you to get to the mobile site of YouTube or any other site. Like I checked out Engadget, one of my favorite tech blogs, just through the Echo Show. And with the big screen, it was actually pretty enjoyable. I really feel like this is the perfect thing for the kitchen. That's where mine is. You can make phone calls from it. You can video chat from it. You can do all the things in the kitchen that you might need to get done. I use timers all the time for it, and it's great. I will say this one thing. While the Echo Show is definitely an amazing piece of hardware, I'm actually not like overwhelmed by the look of it. I think it looks a little bit funky. It definitely looks better than last year's, but I'm still not like over the moon about the look. But they've also now included Hulu. Last year, you were able to watch all the Amazon Prime videos and stuff that you wanted to on the screen. But now when you add in Hulu, including the live TV, you basically have TV on the Echo Show. They give you 1 free month to check it out so you can see if it's something for you. I like it. It's actually kind of cool because instead of having to look across the kitchen into my TV if I'm watching something, a lot of times I watch things on Hulu, I just pull it right up on the Echo Show. So then the question is it worth $230? Well, considering now this is the Echo Show and the other one's being discontinued, my guess is you'll be able to find the older version for a lot cheaper, right around $100. And for that, it's a no-brainer. Definitely the original Echo Show is worth $100 for sure. If you have an Echo of any type and you want to expand your home, I would look into that. For $230, the newer version, man, that's a lot of money, but it is bigger, better, and it has the hub. So when it goes on sale, when Amazon inevitably puts it on sale, it's actually quite worth it. And if you have old Echo devices you can sell to friends or something, bring the price down even more. And here's a price hack. If you and a friend want to get one of these, you buy 2 of them, it saves $100, which means it's $170 each. Boom. Now, you know me, I'm not gonna go over a whole bunch of specs and stuff and really kind of make the video boring. I'm just gonna tell you use cases. For me, I use this thing all the time. Right in the morning, you can set up routines, which will allow you to, for example, say, wake me up, and it'll turn the lights on, maybe play some music, your favorite music, turn on the coffee maker if you have that automated, and any other thing. It actually can also change the thermostat if you have a smart thermostat as well. Depending on how integrated you wanna get, mine will tell me how much gas I have in my car. That's pretty cool. So for me, I think it's an easy buy. Now, again, if you're not a gadget nerd or if you don't have a whole bunch of Amazon Echo devices, there are other things you can go for. The Dot is still out there for about 50 bucks. The older version, I'm sure, will drop in price. So if you just want to dip your toe in, start with the Echo Dot and Bluetooth it to some speakers or something. But if you really want to go whole hog, or if you already have Echoes and you like them, man, the Echo Show, that screen is amazing. So for the automation, the sound, and all the improvements they've made, thumbs up from me. If this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. And if it didn't, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. I'm here every single week having a blast. Hope to see you again real soon. Peace and love, peace and love.